The styles are located on the home ribbon, and they're over here on the right-hand side. We have a little panel of different formatted fonts. Well, those underneath, it's called styles. If you hit the drop-down arrow on that, you're going to see an entire list of all the various font styles that are already designed for you. Notice they all have names as well. Like this one, for instance, pops up as Intense Quote. Well, that's just someone at Microsoft who came up with that name. It doesn't mean anything to you or I. They just named it, whatever. So I happen to like it. I like that one a lot. And so notice my insertion point out on my screen is clicked into this first line. Now this is a paragraph feature, which means I don't have to select the line. I can just click into the line. It'll apply to the entire paragraph. So I'll go ahead and click that one, and it applied it right there. Well, for whatever reason, I want to, I like the style, like the line up above and below, but I want the font to be larger. I'll go and select the font, and notice my mini bar pops up with this A up arrow, which means increase font size. Anytime a button has a letter A on it, it means alphabet, so alphabet larger. So I'll go ahead and click that a few times. All right, that looks good. Let's go ahead and work on the next one because I want to point something out to you, a little bit of magic inside that style box. It's called headings. So when I click on this particular one again, I selected topic number 1. I click the drop-down arrow of the gallery of the styles. Now notice the names inside here. We have normal, solution, no spacing, whatever. Right over here we have heading 1. Heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Now, headings behave differently than styles. Yes, they both format text, and they both will change a text, but headings puts a little bit of magic on the paragraph. So I'm going to go ahead and apply heading 1 right there. And then I'm going to come to topic 2, and I'm going to apply heading 2. And I'm going to come to subtopic 2, and I'm just going to apply a style to this one. We'll do emphasis. And on topic 3, I'm going to hit that drop down. I'm going to apply a heading 3 to this one. So here, the lesson here is we have a difference between headings and styles, but they're all found in the same spot. Okay, so here's the lesson. Notice where I have topic 1. See that arrow off to the left? Watch what happens when I click that arrow. Click. It collapses everything under it. See, when you apply headings in a large document or a large manuscript that's in an outline format, this is how you can easily take a look at all the headings and stay on track of the hierarchy of your document. Now, topic 2 collapsed everything under it, and topic 3 collapses everything under it. So as you can see, the hierarchy will swallow the hierarchy under it. See what I'm doing? I'm just collapsing them. But it allows me, if this is a long manuscript, I'm going to want to use these items. All right, there's one other trick about this. And that trick is, I'm going to go ahead and apply a style to the font underneath. Now, when I selected that line, I didn't just click into it. I came out to the left and I selected, or I could do a click and drag and selected. And here my mini bar comes up. We'll take a look at the far right-hand side of my mini bar. Ding! Styles right there. See, I don't have to go up to the home ribbon all the time to get my styles because I can select any text wherever it is on my document and come over here and have styles right next to my mouse. It's great. And then go ahead and just apply a style. All right, so the lesson today is you do have styles on the home ribbon. You also have styles on your mini bar right over here. And styles also includes headings, which are collapsible and helps you stay organized when you're doing a large manuscript. Okay, please practice that on the exercise file.